Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book a Lufthansa student flight. So first thing that you do here is you just have to open any of our web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Lufthansa student and then you just have to, click on that first website. Then after that, we'll be redirected to this page. So before we book our flight, as you can see right here, we have a student fare benefit. So we have extra savings, more baggage, rebooking, and refundable. So the student fares are offered on the following routes. So we have here from the origin and the destination, and we have the baggage allowance. All right. Now, in order for us to, book a flight, we have to register now. All right, and for step two is we have to verify our student status. So once you're registered and logged in into your travel ID, you'll be able to verify your student status in the profile section of your account. So you only need to do this once. And for step number three is you just have to search and book the student fares. For example, we are done creating our account, so you just go here, book and prepare. And then here we are going to select book flights. Right, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds after that. Okay, so right here, we just have to select the country of origin or the country that we are flying from. All right, and then our destination. Okay, so for example, we are flying to Canada. So you just have to make sure that the destination that you are going to visit is included in the route section for student fare. Okay, so after that, you just have to select your departure date, your return date, and then who will be traveling. So you just have to fill out the section. And then if you have an access code, but this one is optional, so you just have to type it out right here. And then after that, you just have to search for that specific flight. And then when you found the flight, then you just have to book it, input your details, your information. So you just make sure that the information that you're going to input are the information that is written on your passport. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.